order to ensure that safety measures are followed, inspection can be performed in different ways at any interface. The inspectors can decide to use non-selective methods or selective methods. They can pick goods at random or give you a prior information before something could go wrong, telling you that this is what is happening. Or there could be selective, focusing on certain transport or commodities based on specific information or on systematic risk analysis. So therefore, sometimes when you get to the port of Tama or even the airport and goods are supposed to be examined, they will select the ways by which it could be done. They can call for different analysis. They will ask that pick this or pick that container. If there are a lot of containers, either they will do random sampling or systematic sampling. So depending upon what is the situation, so that the risk factors can be reduced. So inspectors may pay attention to the state of the equipment, the packaging, labeling, storage or segregation, and require documents as well as licenses. Inspectors may also issue warnings, giving penalties, or even they may stop transport until the rules are obeyed. Cargo inspection. Another issue of air cargo security is the adequacy of cargo inspection procedures and oversight of cargo inspection at air carrier and freight forwarders facilities. The ATSA established requirements for screening and inspection of all individual goods, property, vehicles, and other equipment entering a secured area of a passenger airport that assures the same level of protection as passenger and baggage screening. American Transport Service Association, however, did not establish specific requirements for the physical screening of air cargo. With regards to air cargo, current regulations specify that aircraft operators must use the procedure, facilities, and equipment described in their security program to prevent or deter the carriage of unauthorized explosives or incendiaries in cargo on board a passenger aircraft, and inspect cargo shipment for such devices before it is loaded onto passenger aircraft. So with regards to all cargo aircraft, ATS mandates that a system of screening inspect, the system to screen, inspect, or otherwise use the security of all cargo aircraft. These are processes and procedures that are followed in the US, and they are just giving us examples as to the measures or the ways and means by which these things are taken care of. They talk about the Homeland Security Appropriate Act and all that, giving specific example. In our local areas, let's talk about when COVID has come now, the sort of measures that are being put in place. They are security measures. They are safety measures that one can try to say certain things to. So therefore, when you are even entering the port to clear goods in the supply chain, these things can also affect the flow of business. So read these things carefully. They give a lot of Air Carrier Association of America, Air Transport Association, Cargo Network Services, and all that. Blah blah blah. These are all regarding what they do in the US and with their examples. So take your time, read over them, and then get the full insight of what they have to say, and then get the references and then the understanding. The national dimension of safety and security. So after the terrorist attack in the USA on September 11, 2001, many national and international security measures have been developed in order to prevent these attacks. These apply also to the maritime industry because ships can also be used to carry out terrorist attacks or to transport materials for these attacks. So the International Maritime Organization has developed provisions in order to enhance maritime security, such as the International Ship and Port Facility Security Code, based on Chapter 11.2 of the International Convention for the Safety of Life